In this video, we'll talk about the if and else statement. So what if condition does, so what else condition does, we'll talk about everything in this video. Let's start. So what if condition does? If condition evaluates your expression. Suppose you have an expression, suppose you want to compare that A is greater than B or A is less than B. Then suppose if your A is greater than B or A less than B, then this portion of code is executed. If your condition is true, then that portion will be executed. So this is what if does. As you can see in my screen that there is a condition. Now let's go for the flowchart. If this condition is true, then the if portion will be executed. If your condition is true, then the if portion will be executed. If your condition is false, then it won't be executed. After that, after executing that snippet, then your code will be terminated, right? This is how your if works. You have a condition. If your condition is true, suppose A has 10, B has 20, you are comparing A is less than B. If that you have that within your if statement, if that is true, then it will execute that snippet. This is how the if works. Let's start with the hands-on. As you can see in my screen, public class hello public static void main is written over there. I am writing int A equals to 10, int B equals to 20. So A is less than B. Now what do you have to write? You have to write if A is, suppose you are writing A is greater than B, then this portion will be executed. System.out.println and A is greater than B. So you just pause this video and write in the chat section that this portion will be executed or not. So let's execute this code. What do we have to write? I have my git bash over here, so you can use it. So what I will write java c hello.java. So as you can see that my code has been executed. Now what I have to write? I have to write java hello. See, nothing is there. I didn't got any output, right? See, nothing is there. See, nothing is there. So I didn't got any output. Now what do we have to do? So why we haven't got any output? Because what I have written, that is A is greater than B, but A is not greater than B. That's why this portion is not executed. Now what do we have to do? Suppose I am writing A less than B. Now what will happen? A is really less than B. The value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. Now this line will be executed. Let me compile this again. I have to write java c hello.java. It will take some time. Then I have to write java hello. Okay, my bad. Okay. As you can see that we have got the output, that is A is greater than B. Now let's talk about else condition. So what else condition is? Suppose you have written some code, but that portion is not executed. Suppose you are writing A equals to 10, B equals to 20, and you are writing A is greater than B. That portion won't be executed because that is not true. For that, you want to say something that A is less than B. So what do you have to do? You have to put a else statement. As you can see in my screen, if your condition is not true, then where it will go? It will go in the else condition. So what happens if your if condition doesn't work? Then your else portion will be executed. So as you can see that if your if condition is not true, then it will go to the else condition and it will be executed. Let's start with the hands-on. So what is written in my code? That is A equals to 10, B equals to 20. If A is greater than B, then it will print A is greater than B. But in our code, A is not greater than B. So what will happen? We have to put a else condition. Now what we'll put? We'll put a else condition. So if this portion is not true, then we'll print system.out.println A is less than B. So in our code, A is really less than B. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. This portion won't be executed. Then this portion will be executed, that is else. Let's compile this. Java c hello.java. See, it's compiled. Now what do we have to write? We have to write java hello. A is less than B. So this is how the if else works. In the next video, we'll talk about the other portion that is called else if. See you in the next video.